So I got a package that I purchased from AliExpress. This is all activewear. It's from one particular store that I actually have bought from several times, and I really like the quality of their stuff. I think it was their like Black Friday sale actually. I got 30 pieces, so I'll have to make sure they're all in here, but I just think I want to do a separate video during Vlogmas and maybe try them on for you guys. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff, and it took like, I think over a month to get here. Maybe a month or a little over a month, and I'm so excited it's finally here. All right, so I'm just gonna open up all of my things, make sure I got what I ordered. I'm also gonna inspect the quality and the seams and take the tags off. So yeah, this package actually took a little less than a month. Normally when I order from this particular store, it's called SHINEBENE or SHINEBENE. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Normally when I've ordered from them in the past, it takes 2 weeks to get to me. Everything is coming straight from China. So if you're not familiar with AliExpress, it is a Chinese marketplace, and everything that you buy from there comes directly from China. So you do have to be patient because it's not going to get to you immediately. It takes a little time, but you know, I've been patient and waiting for my stuff, and a lot of times I'm happy with my purchase. There have been times where I haven't been happy with my purchase, but you just have to find a reliable seller. So if you're like familiar with Amazon, on Amazon, you know, there's different sellers. Well, it's kind of like that, but it's a Chinese marketplace. So there's just different sellers that have items. You can find some of the same items from different sellers. They have different prices, but also sometimes the quality is different. So that's the risk that you're taking. So with this seller, they've always been very reliable, and they have great quality things. And that is why I bought 30 items during their Chinese New Year sale, which is every year, November 11th. And so I took the risk, and I was like, I'm going to purchase 30 items because I haven't had an issue with this seller before. And luckily, I got everything that I ordered, and all the quality of everything seems really good. The stitching was nice, didn't have any issues there. Because I've ordered from other sellers in the past where I've had to open a dispute and get a refund because the seller was kind of shady. So like I had ordered leggings from one seller, and one of the leggings arrived with the hole in the crotch. Like, oh, where is the quality control, people? So the seller, I messaged them, and they were just shady and just kind of ignored me. So I opened a dispute with AliExpress, and AliExpress did give me a refund. And that's happened to me about 2 to 3 times. So I haven't had that issue at all with this store. Haven't had any quality issues, so I haven't even had to attempt to get a refund for anything. But that option is always available. So once in a while, I branch out and buy from other sellers. This particular seller is reliable, but they also have higher prices. So sometimes it's worth paying a little bit more just because you know that the seller is reliable and the quality is good of the product. Once in a while, like if I want to see if something, the same style of something is good quality from a different seller, I'll purchase it just because it is usually a lot cheaper. But sometimes the material is a little bit different. It's not quite as good, or it's just different, period. So that's always the chance that you're going to take. So anyway, just going through all the items again, like I said, and I'm going to try some of the items on for you at the end of this video, so you guys can get more of an idea of what they look like. A lot of times, you know, these things are kind of duped. Like they will try to dupe Lululemon style bras and pants, and the feel, like a lot of these things have a naked feel fabric, which is really nice. Everything felt really good. And yeah, so if you know, can't afford like Lululemon, but you like a style of a bra, they may have it on AliExpress. Like I said, I would just recommend checking the reviews of the item from the seller just to see if they have a good reputation. But I will link this seller that I use down below, and I think if I invite you with my link or something, you can get a discount. I don't know. I'm not sure how that all works because I haven't done that before. But let me know if you guys want a dedicated video on trying on all of this stuff, because at the end, I'm only going to try on some of the bras and none of the pants. I really like to wash everything before I try everything on, but I wanted to see if the bras fit well, and hopefully the leggings will, because I've ordered leggings from this seller many, many times. So the other thing is I need to go through my activewear and kind of get rid of some of the stuff I have. I know I have a lot, Some of you guys watched my closet declutter video, and in that video I had a lot of activewear in my closet. However, it wasn't all of it because I have a dresser in my bedroom that has a ton more leggings that I did not hang up yet. I still actually want to do a video on that just to organize my activewear even more in my closet. But some of my leggings are still a little too big. I mean, so right now I'm like between a small and a medium. Most of the time I'm a small. Once in a while I need a medium, just depending on the brand and the style, or on the style of the leggings. But I still kept all my medium leggings just because, I don't know, some of them I really like and I just don't want to get rid of them. But I wore a pair of Yogalicious ones to the gym the other day, and we were doing cardio. It was a HIIT workout, and they were sliding down a little bit, even though it had the band at the top, the seam at the top of the waistband. I was pulling them up because they were a little bit big on the waist, but I just can't part with them. I think for those I can wear them like every day, but just maybe not to the gym. But there are some older leggings that I have in there that I don't love anymore, and I just need to get rid of them. So. And then same with sports bras. Like, I find that I really like these bras from AliExpress. So I want to get rid of some of my other style bras that are just more basic. Like, I like these very strappy ones. They're very like cute styles. And I just like these better. I like the quality, and I like the style of them a lot more than the ones that I had in the past. I wasn't into activewear like when I first started working out at the gym. I just kind of got whatever. And like, the more that I try things, the more I know what I like. So yeah, I need to get rid of stuff just because I'm purchasing more. And I want to do more activewear reviews here on my channel. I want to start doing those soon. So yeah, let's try on some stuff. All right, so for this first bra, I didn't talk in the video, and then I realized, you know what, I should probably talk. So this is the SHINEBENE. I'm not sure how you pronounce the seller's name. Fly crisscross bra in size medium. And this one in the size medium, it's size 8. I always wear a medium. However, I believe I had read the comments on this one that said it ran a little big, and it was a little too big, so I definitely need to size down in it. Don't mind my funny faces, but yeah, I need to get a smaller size, a size small, which is probably a 6 in this particular one, but everything else fit me fine. It was just this one that I had a sizing issue with. And based on the comments, I should have went with everybody's recommendations, but I was a little scared to size down. Okay, so let me know if you guys want a try on video for all the stuff that I got from AliExpress. I just wanted to try on like one of each piece really quick. So I can't remember what this one is called. I will put the name of it on the screen. But how cute is that? I love the back. I think I got this one in 3 colors. They have a lot more colors, but I wanted to try a few first before I got carried away. Plus I wanted to make sure the size fit. So normally I wear medium in sports bras. This black one that I tried on for you guys here a second ago, this one's really cute in the back. And I think when I read this one, it said in the reviews, it said it ran big. And so I usually wear a medium from AliExpress, which is a size 8. This is a size 8. I think I was a little skeptical to size down, and now I wish I would have, because it's actually a little bit too big. Like, it's not tight enough here. So I'll have to try that in a smaller size. But this one's a medium, and it's so cute. I cannot explain to you how soft the material is, you guys. This material is super soft. So this one doesn't have elastic here. Sometimes they have like a thick elastic or like half of elastic. This one does not at all. And it's, I mean, it's just so comfortable. I could wear this all day. Yeah, I'm like loving this. So let me try on a different one. So this one is kind of similar to the black one that I had tried on. The back is a little bit different, but it's pretty similar. This one fits much better, and it's the same size. So I definitely need to size down in this black style. I could tell when I pulled it out of the bag that it just looked a little bit wider. So I'm gonna have to size down in this one. I wish they had the names on here, but they don't. So I'll just have to put all the names of all the sports bras and stuff on the screen. But yeah, this one is super cute. It's it scoops in the neck a little bit lower, which I think is more flattering, especially for me because I'm really small chested. So I'm like a 34A, and I wear a medium sports bra pretty much all the time. Once in a while I might be able to get away with a small, but because I'm wider here, I have to have a medium because smalls are generally just too tight around my rib cage. But obviously I have a small bust. So I used to have breast implants and I used to be a 36C, and I had my breast implants removed in July, and so now I am a 34A, but I still wear a medium because I used to wear a medium in sports bra and I still wear a medium. So yeah, I think it's such a cute bra. I love this one. So some of them I wanted to try in certain styles, and then if I like it, I'll buy all the colors. For instance, some of them that I purchased here in several colors, it's because I already had tried a different color and I liked them, so then I purchased all the colors. So I like this one. I would definitely purchase it in more colors. All right, so this one I have not tried before, and I did size down in this one because I think people were saying that the straps were too long and they're not adjustable. So I didn't want that to be the problem for me, so I got a smaller size. So this one, I believe it's a size small. It's a size 6, so yeah, it should be a small because all the other ones are size 8 and they're mediums. So this one fits good, and that's cute. It's just kind of simple. This one is good for like smaller chest. If you have like a bigger bust and you need something more supportive, this probably wouldn't be the one. Although it feels pretty secure, like it feels pretty tight. It doesn't feel like the fabric is not as soft as like the green one that I tried on. So yeah, this one's cute. I like it. All right, so this one seemed very similar. It's a new arrival. It's one similar to a different one that they have. And so I bought all the colors even though it was new and I haven't tried it before, because it's just the style looked very similar. It's just the back looks a little bit different. So I got all the colors and it fits perfect. I like it a lot. So this one does have like, this is a whole band right here. So it's a little bit more snug here than that green one I showed you. That one didn't have a band, so it was like very soft and flexible. So this one's very strappy on the back, which I like. And I didn't adjust all the straps, so they're a little crooked. But this is so cute. So I got several colors and I really like it. I really like it. I like it a lot. It feels very supportive. I mean, I don't have big bust, but it feels like it would be supportive for somebody that's bigger. I don't know. But I really like this color. The cup pads in these are pretty nice. They're pretty nice. So yeah, I like this one. It's so cute. Gosh, I like these. So this one is a bra that I purchased last time from them and I liked it, so I bought more colors. So this one is like a navy blue color and it's strappy, but not quite as strappy as the last one. This one is a little bit different. So this one has half of a band. So you can see if I flip it up. So the band is only like half, and then the rest of it is just the material. So the thing with this kind of band around the rib cage is when I worked out with the ones that I have, it kind of would roll up a little bit. So that's the annoying part. So I wish they would have put the band like all the way down to the bottom, but it's only like half, which is fine. I don't mind it, but I mean, it didn't stop me from buying more colors, right? But I like this one too. It's a very cute fit. So I'm not gonna try on like all the colors in this particular video. I wanted this to be more like a semi try on unboxing video, but I will do like a dedicated video on trying them all on. I'll probably wear some of the newer pieces that I have never tried to the gym just to see how they perform and then do that video. If you guys are interested, just let me know in the comments. But I have this bra in other colors and I really like it, so I decided to get the rest of the colors. Some of the sports bras come like in 5, 6 colors, and then like some of the newer arrivals that they have, they come in a lot of colors. So yeah, this one's actually one of my favorites. I like that it has the lower scoop neck. I mean, it's not super low, but it's not high either. And then it has the band all the way down, so it's very secure. And then I like the very strappy back. All right, so this is one of their new arrivals, and it's really comfy. So the band comes really low. It's almost like you can wear it as like a crop top sports bra, 2-in-1 type of thing. I don't wear just a sports bra to the gym. I actually always wear a tank top on top of mine. I like to wear tank tops that really like show my back so that you can see the bra straps and stuff, but not all of my tank tops are like that, just some of them. So this one's cute. I just got one of these because I wanted to try it since it is a lot lower. I mean, I'm not gonna wear this on its own. I mean, maybe if I don't know, maybe in the future I would wear something like this, but as of right now, I'm not confident enough in my belly region to wear something like this to the gym. So yeah, this one's cute. I do like it. This material is super soft. This part is soft. This is not actually a band here. This is just all fabric. So it's very, very soft. Potential to like roll up a little bit though, I would imagine. So we'll see, but it's cute. All right, so this is another one of their new bras, and I got I think I got 2 colors in this, maybe 3 colors. So some of these have matching leggings. This bra, I believe, has matching leggings, and this one's super cute. I like it. I like it. So this one has the entire band at the bottom. And I like the back. I like the scoop neck. These are just amazing for the price. So, but yeah, I like this bra. It's super cute. Okay, so I couldn't remember if this was the same as the first one I tried on, the green one, but it is. It's just in the purple, and I love it. I'm definitely gonna get this one in more colors. I love the feel of it, the look of it, everything about it is awesome. It is awesome. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed this semi mini try on, and if you guys want me to do like a full dedicated video trying everything on, please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And maybe I'll ask the seller if they will provide me with a coupon code to share with you guys. I know they do that for some other YouTubers. I've never actually, you know, reviewed anything from this brand before on my YouTube channel, but I can definitely ask them because I have a lot of stuff from them. And yeah, I want to wash everything before I like wear it to the gym. So I'm going to start washing it today. And I'll try some of the pieces out at the gym, especially the newer ones that I've never tried before. And I will let you guys know in my updated video. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.